We are in our campground here in northern Vermont. Millbrook Campground in Westbrook, Vermont. And this stream is right behind our camper. It's beautiful. Sounds great. Beautiful. Up ahead there, behind that bridge, is a little waterfall about 3 or 4 feet. Really looks awesome. Sounds great. Sounds very relaxing. As you can see, there's 3 lines of rocks that the water flows over. It's visible. And a little further up is a small waterfall with a pool of water. But I'm not getting in it because this water is ice cold. This is the last day of September. It was 35 degrees last night. Pretty nippy. And that water is ice cold.